Good morning, dear students. Once again, I welcome you back to your English core classes. As we all know that we were doing speech writing, and in speech writing, so far we have done the definition of a speech as well the format. So today I'm directly coming to the example of a speech writing so that the concept can be clear to you all. In the very beginning, as I told you, suppose I have taken a topic that is female foeticide, the worst crime. The topic is very famous itself. It's also weightage, in fact. So whenever you are delivering a topic, how will you deliver it? The first, as usual, we greet to our audience, our chief guest, and the other friends, like honorable principal, respected teachers, and dear friends, as it is written there. And afterwards, you are starting your topic. What is the topic? 500 years ago. Okay, you are taking the history and the data of the last 5 years, 500 years. So 500 years ago, Guru Nanak Dev said, what Guru Nanak Dev said? Why discriminate against those who gave birth to emperor? Okay, so here it is talking about why people are discriminating. I'm not going very depth about the topic, why it is so. I'm just giving you the hints. Look at the question. The first question is asking why discriminate against those who gave birth to the emperor, and again it's talking about is it not shameful that in the land of Guru Nanak the killing of female fetuses is the highest. मतलब बिना मतलब पीपल डोंट दे फील शाय, मतलब इतना इतना शेमफुल महसूस, उसको बिल्कुल शर्म नहीं आती है कि वो माँ की कोख में ही उस बच्चे को मार देते हैं. वन वंडर, और सबसे ज़्यादा यहाँ पे इस टॉपिक में फ़िलहाल ये डिस्कस किया गया है कि मतलब वो माएँ कैसे एक अग्री हो जाती हैं इस चीज़ के लिए कि हाँ उनके बच्चे को मार दिया जाए. हर इंसान के अलग अलग ओपिनियंस हैं. एवरीबडी हैज़ डिफरेंट थॉट about this. So mother never agree for doing so. The male person is there behind her who force them to do so. So sometimes as we are talking about the topic, तो इस टॉपिक में जब इस चीज़ को बोला गया है कि वो कैसे अग्री हो जाती है, then afterwards you will add your point कि अग्री अगर नहीं होती है then what happens. One wonder how mother agreed to kill their children in wombs. The result is that of the district in the country with the most unfavorable child sex ratio. 10 are in Punjab. The male centric mindset is the main culprit. Now taking the data from other places and also talking about कि मेल जो होते हैं वो ऑलरेडी माइंड सेट होता है, वो सबसे ज़्यादा कल्प्रिट होते हैं बिकॉज द बिगिनिंग स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम देमसेल्व्स ओनली. पीपल इन पंजाब एंड एल्सवेयर, कहीं भी देखेंगे आप, आर स्टिल ड्राइवन बाय एज ओल्ड प्रेफरेंस to son over daughter. They consider girls as liabilities and boys as assist. बिल्कुल उनको लगता है ये तो किसी और की ये तो जिम्मेदारी है, बस शी हैज़ टू गो समवेयर एल्स. बट अ बॉय विल बी ऑलवेज देयर हु विल बी यूजफुल टू अस, हु विल टेक केयर ऑफ अस. So they have such thought. They consider girls as liabilities and boys as assist. Dowry demands, fears regarding property right, insecure environment for women, parents, dependence on sons during old age are also important factors. So it is also talking about by taking the data कि एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द फैक्ट्स चीज़ों के बारे में. जो डॉरी डिमांड्स होते हैं उसको फुलफिल करना पड़ता है. बहुत सारे ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी के राइट्स भी उनके होंगे. इनसिक्योर होते हैं वो वुमेन को लेके उनके पेरेंट्स. तो ये सारी चीज़ों क्या होता है ना, ये ख़ास कर एक इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर बन जाता है जिससे वो बचना चाहते हैं. एंड वॉट दे वॉन्ट, बट टाइम हैज़ चेंज. डेफिनेटली टाइम हैज़ a lot change, in fact I would say. How a lot change? क्योंकि government has passed the several rules for this, for the dowry system, for the female ferticide. तो ये क्राइम माना गया एंड यू कांट टेस्ट इट बिफोर द बर्थ. सो अगर हम इसके साथ अपार्ट ऑफ इट आई मस्ट गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट हैज़ पास्ड प्री कंसेप्शन एंड प्री नेटल डायग्नोस्टिक टेक्निक्स एक्ट्स, PCPNT जिसको कहते हैं, इन 1994 टू बैन एंड पनिश prenatal sex screening, and female ferticide. It is currently illegal in India to determine or disclose sex for the fetus to anyone. Okay, so that's why it's talking about ki, but the time has changed. We need to change our mindset. Think of the role of women in the era, in the life. They have proved to be better than a man in many fields. A well educated and well settled daughter needs no dowry, definitely. And the world has really changed कि मतलब अब डॉरी लेने की नहीं, अब देने की बारी आ जाएगी. Maybe, perhaps, anything can be. If the girls are settling down because they are helping their mother before marriage, and after marriage they are also helping their in-laws home, so it's such a big thing for a women. तो उनको वेल सेटल कर दिया जाता है. एंड डॉरी के नाम पे आई थिंक एज आई नो कि डॉरी के नाम पे बहुत सारे लोगों को लाइक एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड कर दिया जाता है. दिस इज़ द बेस्ट डॉरी फॉर अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, for a girl, in fact, security purpose के accordingly also. So if a woman educates, the whole heredity, the whole family gets educations. So such a big thing it is. So a lot has changed in our life. So also it's talking about the problem of female fertilizers can be solved not by passing law but by changing our mindset. पासिंग लॉ इज़ अ डिफरेंट थिंग विच आई रेड राइट नाउ कि बहुत सारे ऐसे मीडिया के रिपोर्ट्स है, जैसे अकॉर्डिंग टू मीडिया रिपोर्ट in 1 year, like if I'll talk about 1984, there were as many as 40,000 cases of female ferticide in Mumbai city alone. Only in Mumbai city they got in a year 40,000 female ferticide. So what is this? So they are the, after coming the law of PCP and DT, the many things has been changed. और इतनी सारी चीज़ों को चेंज होने के बाद आफ्टर ऑल फाइनली दे हैव पीपल हैव सेट देयर माइंड कि नो, means girls are also can do many things. They can earn, they can get education, there will be no dowry if she will be well settled. So as the life is changing, जैसे जैसे हमारा जनरेशन चेंज हो रहा है, इट्स कमिंग अपडेट होता जा रहा है. सो बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें जो है जिसमें बदलाव आ जा रहा है. सो यहाँ पे ऑल्सो टॉपिक इज टॉकिंग अबाउट कि गर्ल does not need any dowry, she looks after her aged parents better than a son can do. The problem of female ferticide can be solved not by passing law but by changing the mindset, definitely, by spreading social awareness about it and by educating the girl child. We can better tackle the situations. Of course, those who resort to female ferticide should be severely punished and even hanged. If it's still people are doing so, they must be hanged. I think you all are also agree with this. And after doing or keeping your points of view about the female fertilizers, you can end here by concluding and then says just thanks to everybody that you got the chance to speak on it. Okay, so these are the things, the questions, the raising question, after answering the questions, getting the attention of the audience and making your speech effective. So this is what makes you perfect, make your speech perfect. It make you very attractive. So and after ending it, you just have to thanks and you can come out. So this is what about the speech is. And if you get to write about this speech, the words limitation will be given to you. You have to follow the instructions of that particular questions, and afterwards you can close it. Okay, so hope mostly we have done all the part of our syllabus, whether it's short composition, it's long compositions or letter writing. If you think that I have not understood this part, or it was not the video was not so clear to me, whatever I could, I did it. I tried to put my all the efforts to you. That's a reason that I always make my voice very clear to you all, so that it can be you will be able to, my voice could be audible to you all, in fact. Okay, so if there is any problem, so please let me know. Keep watching, keep learning. It's humble request to you, because the examinations or whatever the things I have done, if there is any query, so please let me know that I can update it or I can solve your problem too. So till then, thank you and take care.